Hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts in another episode of the project learning series, project learning ideas in Android. Today we have to discuss with the bus pass management system idea, so that we can implement in our college project or any of the assignment that we want to do. Let's move to the introduction part. In urban and suburban areas and suburban areas, efficient public transportation is the essential for the computers. Okay, so particularly students, women, senior citizen, bus pass management system is an Android application designed to streamline the process of managing the bus passes, providing the passenger with the convenient access to the essential information. So this is the introduction, like why we need a bus pass management system. What is the problem statement here? Problem statement is basically passenger often face some challenges in keeping track of their bus passes. Okay, sometimes they will miss their bus passes at home and while traveling, or they lost it, so leading to the inconvenience and delays during the commute. Lack of centralized management system further complicates the process for the both passenger and the transit authority. So there is a problem and some complication between the both and the passengers and the transit operation, like the travel scenarios like bus and other travel scenarios. So let's move to the solution over here. Like what the solution we are creating in this idea. So the bus pass management system offer a user-friendly platform for the passenger to access details about their bus passes, including the validity and fare information renewal options. So bus passes is basically we are providing a platform to which has the user-friendly UI, and to access their detail like the bus passes validity and what the fare information that we have. So we have provided all the detail of the travel information and the renewal option as well. So we also integrate the payment gateway for renewal thing, and it streamlines the passenger management, bus pass administration, fare tracking, enhancing the overall efficiency, convenience of the public transportation services. We are going to provide these solution in a single application. And what are the key features that we're getting? First is the passenger management, as I say, allow the user to register and manage their passenger profile, including the personal information and the contact details. Bus pass management provides a passenger with the information about their bus passes, including the validity period and renewal option. And the third one is the fare management. Enable to user to track their fare transaction, view the payment history, and manage account balance. So these are the some fare management that we are going to implement in this idea. And we have also provided some notification in the renewal reminders. So send notification to the passenger when their bus passes are near into expiration, and promote them to the renew in a timely manner. And the last one is for the user authentication. We are doing the authentication using the OTPs and the Firebase. Implement a secure authentication mechanism to ensure the confidential integrity of the passenger data. So we also going to secure all the data of the passenger. We are not going to share to anyone. So these are the key features that we are implementing in our Android application. That's all. If you have to continue with this bus pass management idea, so you can just drop a mail to contact at the reporter us. And if you have any other idea you want to implement in the Android application, so you can just drop a mail and we will definitely get back to you. So thank you so much.